In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammar Checker on QuillBot. Let's get you from a blank page to clean, polished writing in just a few simple moves. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest path if you don't already have the site bookmarked. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type QuillBot. Double-check the spelling so you land on the official site. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the result that simply says QuillBot with the main website link underneath. Click the QuillBot result to open the site. On the home page, look for the Grammar Checker option. It's usually visible in the top navigation or featured on the main page. Click Grammar Checker to go straight to the tool. On the Grammar Checker page, you'll see a large text area in the center. Click inside that space to place your cursor. You can start typing from scratch here, or if you already have content written elsewhere, paste it in using your usual shortcut. Pasting is great for emails, reports, essays, or any draft you want to review. As a best practice, avoid pasting sensitive information. Keep it to general text. You're comfortable reviewing online. Begin typing or paste your text into the box. As soon as your words appear, QuillBot typically starts checking automatically. You don't need to press a separate button in most cases. If you don't see anything happening at first, give it a second or two. A stable internet connection helps. Now, watch for visual cues. You'll see underlines or highlighted sections that flag potential issues, such as grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Alongside the text, a sidebar or small pop-ups will appear with suggestions. Click on a highlighted word or sentence to open the explanation. QuillBot will show you what it thinks is wrong and propose a fix. If the suggestion makes sense, click to apply it. If it doesn't fit your meaning, you can ignore it and move on. Take a moment to read the brief explanations. These are helpful for understanding why a change is recommended, which improves your writing long-term. Continue reviewing your text, clicking through the suggestions one by one. As you accept changes or make your own edits, the checker updates in real time. When the underlines have cleared and everything reads smoothly, you're done. Your text is now cleaner, clearer, and ready to share.